Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. It is day 12 of the 12 days of Christmas KAL giveaway. And it just so happens to be Christmas Day. I'm wearing my ugly sweater today. Anyway, congratulations to all the other winners of the 12 days of Christmas KAL. And this is the last day. I hope you guys have enjoyed the third annual Christmas giveaway. So stay tuned, of course, for next year. We're gonna have some KALs. We're gonna have some more giveaways. I have some more fun things planned for this group. So please continue to follow me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification buttons, because I actually may be doing some surprise pop-up giveaways for my most loyal viewers. So if you hit the notification button, you'll be able to get notified when those pop up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's see who the winner is for day 25. It is going to be number 18, Mimi of 3 Knits, Carol from Missouri. Carol, congratulations! Woo! You are the last winner. And since it is Christmas Day, I thought it would be appropriate to gift you a pair of Christmas socks. These are from my friend, let me see if I can get it to focus, Mace of Skeins. She sent this to me recently, so I decided to switch things up, because who doesn't need a pair of Christmas socks? And it is her Spade sock set, and it's 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon. The mini skein is a 20-gram mini skein, so it's enough to do heels, toes, and cuffs. And it is in her colorway mistletoe. And this green one is 463 yards, very generous amount of yarn. So if you do not know Mace of Skeins, please head over. She's in Fort Worth, which is down the street from me. Check out her Etsy shop, check out her Instagram, and I'm also doing a giveaway which ends tomorrow for 2 of her other skeins of yarn. I'm gonna show those to you real quick. So if you have not entered a chance to win one of these 2 lovely skeins on Instagram, please head over there and do that. So anyway, so back to the winner. Carol, you're getting this set, and then you will also receive the Happee Knits pin. And then you will also receive this bag that you can have printed on whatever you would like printed on. I can even do photographs, so just FYI. So anyway, I think I might start selling those too. So you guys let me know if that's something you're interested in, if you want to see personalized bags with photographs, things like that. So anyway, thank you again, everyone, for participating in the 12 days of Christmas KAL. So Carol, get in contact with me via any of the social media outlets, Ravelry, Instagram, happyknits@yahoo.com. Whatever I have listed below is where you can contact me. So thank you guys again, and we will see you in 2021.